Let's begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Just eight matches remain here in the qualification round of the Michiana Premier event. All these robots looking to churn through these artifacts and show off the best version of themselves before our Alliance selection in just a while. Both Blue Alliance machines and both Red Alliance machines working through these artifacts as quickly as they can. 26-949 Royal Society looking to fire one last artifact up, cycling back to the loading zone, but the loading zone is empty, not able to feed them anything more as Autonomous expires.
Pick up your controllers. Three, two, one.
Red Alliance will now lead 38-26 coming into the teleoperated period. Blue, though, trying to bite into that. Tennessee Titans and Night Owls both working to keep on churning through fuel. Looking to bring the Blue Alliance back up above that Red Alliance score. 53-41, now the Red Alliance lead. 22-3-31, that's random. Firing fuel into the hub, continuing to bring on those scoring elements. Minute 30 left to go, 70-56. Red Alliance is holding on to their auto-built lead. So far, they're able to keep on churning it. Royal Society of Robotics from the backfield, firing deep from that launch zone, bringing in artifacts from the loading zone, aiming their turret up. 1 and 2 go up into the hub, the goal, as we keep on rolling in this match. Minute 6 left to go, 94-68 towards the Red Alliance, but Blue still trying to keep in this as Red keeps it about the same, maybe growing their lead a little bit since Autonomous. We have 55 seconds to go. These machines still working as hard as they can to keep on firing artifacts. Some quick collision between two members of opposite alliances. Both get around each other, though, as Blue Alliance members keep on firing. 37 seconds to go, 130-101 as we keep on moving through this match. 30 seconds to go, 40 artifacts for the Red Alliance, 36 for Blue. As it looks like Red Alliance splitting their traffic between the close and far fields. Royal Society locking down that far shot as we keep on moving in this match, 160-137. Time keeps on ticking by. Red Alliance with 51 artifacts in. Looks like Red now going for the stacked double full park if they can squeeze it out. We'll see if they can make it happen in 3, 2, 1. Time expires.
Winner is Red Alliance! 207 points on red for match 112.